Hey everyone, welcome back to Garnet Reviews, and today we're looking at the Nimbus 365 Coupe. Boarding this boat is easily done through the extended bathing platform here, and you can see we've got a fender basket on the transom, and then in front of that we've got the spacious aft cockpit that includes a folding cockpit table as well. And this has got what Nimbus refers to as a sidewalk design. It's not actually symmetrical on both sides, so there's more room on the starboard side for making your way up to the bow and back. And notice there is a door to the helm position, as well as ease access if you needed to for docking. On the bow itself, you see that we've got a large sun cushion area, and this has also got a canopy option as well installed. And I love the finish that the teak deck has from bow to stern, and that includes up on the pulpit where you'll find the anchor windlass. And this can be operated from the bow area, but it can also be operated inside from the helm. And the anchor locker itself is large enough you could store ropes in here, so you can keep the bow ropes handy. And being that she's a Scandinavian boat, she's got an open bow, because traditionally they anchor up next to rocks and things like that. But in Florida, you could also use this just for jumping off into the water, almost like a dive platform. And as you can see here, you can make your way back through on the port side, but it's far easier to do on the starboard side. I did want to show you from the coach roof. You can see that this has got a double sunroof, and this has got the integrated blinds, and we'll take a closer look at that when we get inside. And as we make our way around the bow, one of the things I wanted to point out is I like the little finishing touches, like the drinks holders that's built into the grab rails next to the sun pad. And also just how strong and secure all the handholds are, that it makes walking from bow to stern so much easier to do in a boat of this size. I also loved how big the windows are on a boat of this size. That will really help give plenty of light and help not feel so claustrophobic when you're inside. And as we make our way around to the aft cockpit again, in order to get inside it's got a large sliding glass door. And the first impressions I got when I stepped on board was this was perfect for all weather cruising. If you're somewhere hot and sunny, you can open up the sunroofs. If you're somewhere it's cold, you can keep them closed. You've got air conditioning, you've got heat, you've got different options for you, and you can pick and choose whichever suits best. So on the port side we've got L-shaped seating area, and this actually converts to a double berth as well. And the bench seat opposite the helm, it actually flips so you can face forward or back. And of course we've got the folding table in the middle. On the starboard side we've got the modular galley. You got a 2-burner electric stovetop to begin with, and because this is a modular galley, you actually have different options when you purchase this boat new. That includes gas, electric, or an induction hob, oven, or microwave. You can have freezer, additional storage, all to suit the owner's needs. And I like the fact there's as much seating area at both the helm and opposite the helm. Whenever I'm doing these reviews I always think about if it was my wife and I that was cruising, something like that. And it's very comfortable for doing that as a couple on board. And notice the strong handhold that's both on the side and in front of the seat, so that there's always something there regardless of the weather to hold on to. And on the starboard side is where you'll find the helm position. This has got a helm seat that also bolsters up if need be, and it's got side access to the deck. As standard it does come with a large GPS plotter. That's a Simrad NSE 12-inch. And of course you get full engine instrumentation, but there's actually several engine options to choose from on this one. It ranges from a single Volvo 260 horsepower, it's a D4, right up to twin Volvo D4 300 horsepower, giving you 600 total. And there is a bow thruster fitted as standard regardless of which engine option you go with. And as we make our way forward, you'll find that on the port side we've actually got a guest cabin. And this has got a little seating area as well as a double berth. That's like underneath the main accommodation in the saloon. It does have an opening hatch, and it gives you plenty of natural light as well as obviously artificial light in the cabin as well. And then as we make our way around, on the bow itself is where you'll find the owner's stateroom. It's got a double island berth. It's got great headroom in here for a boat of this size and design. I like the fact it's got as much storage space. It's also got a TV hanging for entertainment purposes. And then this has access to the head compartment. You can access it from this cabin or from the main passageway. And as standard, this boat does come with a holding tank. And as we make our way back up to the saloon, you can see here all the quality of craftsmanship that's gone into this boat. I was really impressed with the fit and finish of every aspect of the boat. But I wanted to show you from the inside the sunroof that we've got on here with the integrated blinds. And this could really help make the boat feel more open if you wanted to. But I like the fact you've got the option of having it enclosed, if that option suits you best as well. It's the best of both worlds. And I'd like to thank Laura from Seattle Yachts for welcoming me on board to take a look at this one. I'm sure she'd love to be in touch with you if you're interested in getting a specification and quote. And I'd love it if you can drop me some comments, let me know what you think of the boat. And if you like this sort of review, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I've got more boats coming for you soon. Thanks everyone.